primitive data types are number, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol. So these are basically your primitive data types. So they are stored on the stack memory. We don't have to consider. Don't think what it is, no use. Just remember interview question, what are all the primitive data types? So you have to give the answer number, string, boolean, null, undefined are primitive data types. And second, what are non-primitive data types? These we will study in details. That is object array functions. Object array and functions are known primitive data types. Okay. So let me start with primitive data. So this is the theory I'm writing here only. So let me create a variable, say let original age. Let me know once I complete any questions. Number. Okay. I create a variable original age. And I create another variable that is training name. Okay. So, and its value is type string. Now if I want to print original age, console.log original age. Okay. And I print console.log training. When I try to print these two variables. So now let me run it. Oh, guys, you are doing the things. It is printing me two values, 25 and types. Any question? Okay. Now, so this is known as your basically number data type, and this is string data. Another data type which is used in, we will be using them a lot. I'm just giving you for understanding. Another data type is Boolean. Boolean can be your true or it can be false. So I write it out. Let is automation force. Just a second. So another variable I am creating is automation. You to have a course course. Okay. And I give it as a Boolean value. So Boolean is either true or false. So I give the value as true. So if I now try to print this value, console.log, so we will have to do many things. I'm just making you familiar. So it printed me a value that is true. It printed me a value that is true. Another variable is null and undefined. So let me show you first undefined. So what is the meaning of undefined over here? Deepak, Mani, you are from which city?
I'm from Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. I got it. Deepak, you are from Bangalore.
Yes, Sajal.
Are you basically from Bangalore?
Yeah, I'm from Karnataka.
You are Kannada.
Hello?
Okay, you are from Karnataka because I was thinking that if I speak two words in Hindi, that will be. Can you understand it?
No.
No. Okay, fine. Because there is something say undefined means we don't know. Pata nahi. There is word known as pata nahi. Okay.
Yeah, these
Means
things I can understand.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So that's why I was asking. That's why I was looking in the batch also. So it undefined means we don't know about it. In In Hindi, we have pata nahi. In future, we are going to use it. Okay. So that is known as undefined. So let me create, I give let unchecked value. I give an unchecked value, which we don't know what value we are going to store in. Okay. So I define a string and just give it as undefined. Okay. And now let's try to print it out. Console.log unchecked. Okay. Now save it and let's run it. Okay, so see it is showing me undefined. So exactly currently we don't know what type of value it is going to store. Okay, so this is undefined. See, this undefined is not in Java, in any other language. Okay, another is null. Null is intentionally assigning a value. Intentionally we are not giving undefined. We are giving, okay, give zero or null value to it. Okay, so I go over here and go search result string. Now I give intentionally null to it. Null. Okay. Now if I try to print it out, null value console dot log and give the search result. Okay. Save. Let's run it. So it is showing me value as null. Showing me value as null. Everyone got it. So these are our, I'm giving you 5 minutes to write it down, no worries. But I'm asking, these are our primitive number, string, boolean, null, and undefined. Okay. And these are non-primitive. We are going to study them day. One class will be there for everything. For objects, we will having three classes. For array, we are having one classes. For function, we have one class. So we will study all of them separately. Got it? Anyone? Any questions?
Apollo. Yeah. Hi, Abhinav, Priyanka this side.
Yeah.
Actually, for undefined, what would be the real-time use case?
Suppose tomorrow, if your value is say today is Amit, and tomorrow you want to put Ankit over there. You don't know which value you are going to put in future. Okay. Currently, you are putting it as not knowing what value is it's going to have. So that's why we use undefined.
Okay.
Right?
Abhinav.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the difference between if I write where instead let
Where?
instead let मतलब अगर let की जगह हम where लिखते हैं so what is the difference between this?
Can you please tell the question again? Ask the
If
question
I
again.
write I have write here let original age, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So if I write where instead let,
Yeah.
what is the difference between this? What makes
See,
the difference?
this is the difference. If you are putting in the function, there will be no issues. You can put it. But when you use the blocks, then the difference will come. Okay.
Okay.
So Priyanka Rajput, you asked about undefined, undefined. Hmm.
Yeah.
So basically, it is used when we have value is completely missing. Okay, suppose you have to call some function. Currently, value is from not available. Suppose you purchased a car. Okay, but you don't have any car number when you purchase. It will come after 2 3 days. Fine, got the point. So it is
Yeah.
missing that we might make it as unassigned. Okay, and for null is the value is empty or blank. Got everyone got it? Yeah, ask this question. Good.
So when don't want to assign anything on the string,
Hmm.
you can give the undefined.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the syntax how we will
Yes.
give, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. No. Now let's take the next concept. Okay, take 2 minutes, write it out. No issues.
One thing, Abhinav, in case of null, why we have assigned it value as null only? I mean, can't we set it like undefined case without assigning anything?
Sorry, I was on mute. This is the syntax, basic syntax. Okay, this is the syntax for it. You have to define this new one. Fine. So we have some syntax also. So you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to follow that order.
yeah, okay. But when trying to assign null a blank value, something like empty string in a places, no, like in double quotes, so that is also acceptable. You just give it a try.
Okay, let's run it out. So it is not showing anything. It is empty. Okay, now in future you have to verify. How can you verify empty value? You have to verify if the value is null, then put some value in it. Got
Yeah.
it?
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, let's start with. So you can take this. Next, start with operators. Okay. So suppose I create two operators are basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the operators. Okay. So let me create a variable that a where that I have another variable that b is equal to simple. Simple. You can create a variable, say let sum colon number uh, number is equal to a plus b. These are the simple things. Okay, you can do like this sum. You can do. You can do the difference also. A minus b. You can see the quotient also. Okay, division. Okay, you can take the percentage also. Fine, and you can take the exponential also. That is power. Okay. Now let's print it out. So I can print it easily. Console dot log. Okay. Sum console dot log difference. Okay. Content remainder power. Console dot log. Content. You can print console dot log reminder. You can print and you can print the power also. Any power in any of these. Power means 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Save it. Let's run it. So this is another program. Just use as copyright yours. See, it worked fine. Anyone has any question in this? Another operator is increment and decrement operator. Another operator I'm talking about is increment and decrement. So here I have created a variable, say count is equal to 5. See, it is very important. Check it out. Okay, I will show you 5-6 lines for it. Put it. Try to understand. This may come in interview. In Java, it is always most of the time it is asked. Let's check it out and type this also. In programming, this is the programming concept. We can ask also. So let's print the value of count first. Okay. Let's see. We can do it. So 5 is it is showing it print. Now what I do, I increase the value by 1. Count is equal to count plus. Okay. And again print the value of count. So it has increased the value. Okay, so I do it and it made it as 6. Now what I do an increment. I go over here, count plus plus. Now if I try to print it out, again I print it out, console.log. It shows 7. See, both are same. Okay. Now I again what I do, I go and console.count. I go over here, I give this and I give plus plus. Now see what happened. This is known as post increment. This is known as post increment. So post increment means increase after doing a thing or after doing a some work. So first of all, it will print this value and after that it will increase it. So current value is 7. So if I do it, I run it. So see, it prints this value. Now if you try to print again the count and run it, it is showing 8. Okay. So post increment first do the operation, then increase it. So it did the operation, that it printed 7 and after that it incremented. And again I put it out, it put it 8. Okay. Another is pre-increment, that is plus plus. Count. So what it will do, it will increase the value first. It will increase the value first. So so you can put it directly out order like this. Go over here. Plus plus, it will increase the value first, then print it. So see, it is printing now. Same concept comes with decrement. I am giving this you as a assignment to try it out. anyone has any issues in any of the operators. Multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement, exponential, anyone? All good? Write it out. Pooja Soni, are you there? Pooja? On hold. Okay. Might be on another call. Yeah, any question? I don't know.
Abhinav, am I saying something wrong? The like first number I'm saying it is 5. Why so?
It is 5.
Starting from statement like line number 11.
Line number is sum is 5. That sum. So sum is no. You have to see like this. Store it.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Abhinav, in case of power, so let's say if a number is a very big digit, I mean, just let's say hypothetical one only. So up to what digit it will show?
There is no such limit. If I give it like this, okay? Let's try it out. There is no like in Java we have.
Okay.
You see, it is showing something going like this. Next line, next line, next line. It is showing like this. Okay. We don't have something like this like in Java. Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, you see, it is showing exponential. See, showing it.
Yeah. Exponential.
Got it?
Correct. Not related to this, but previous data types. So we have this number and string. So if let's say some value is a float or decimal, how do we store that?
Simply number.
Number only, one type. Okay. Okay.
Give it as 0.5, nothing else. I told you that this is the flexibility which is provided. Okay. See, it is giving in points now.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go to next program. So these were the operators which we have seen. Now let's see some comparison operators. Okay. So here only I am doing the things. Let me do use operators. We are doing with operators. So let me do comparison operators. Now, now suppose I create a variable, say speed is number is equal to 60. So how can I compare? Console.log. I am not talking about if else. Okay. Dot log. I am just comparing over here. Speed is greater than 50. Yes or no, guys? Speed is greater than 50. Hannah? Yes. True. Speed. So it is printing with 2. Is speed greater than equals to 60? Yes, it is greater than equals to 60. So it is printing me true. Is speed less than 40? If I give it out, save it and run it, it is giving me false. Notice. So these are the basic comparison, less than, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than operator which are used. But there is one more operator. You will find that in a interview question. That is strict equality. Okay. That is strict equality. Now suppose I create a variable that num. Okay. Colon number. When created as number equals to 5. Got it, guys? Fine. We are created no. No, no. Created a variable number. I am creating another variable that str colon string is equal. Okay, everyone. Now, so now there is known as strict equality. So suppose what I do, I go over here and put the console. So strict equality means I go over there and give num one. This 3 times is known as strict equality. Okay. Now what it will do, if it will check is this 5 is equal to 5, it is 5. But are their data type also equal? Are their data types also equal? So this is known as strict equality. Okay, so let me run it out. So it is running me. So it is giving me true. See, number is number only. Okay, it is fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay, because it is 5 only. So that's why it is giving. Now if I suppose go over here and give it as no. Just a second. So this is giving me true. Fine. This number, it is a number. Okay. Now what I do, if I go over here, if I give console dot log, it will not work. Wait, guys. See, it started giving me error. It started giving me error. Okay, because one is number and another is string. You cannot compare two string, though their values are same. See, their values are same. Okay, their values are same, 5, 5. But you cannot compare a string value and number. Anyone has any question in it? Anyone? Anyone?
Abhinav, so
Hmm.
this is strict equality, correct?
Hmm.
So if I use double equal means
Yes.
yeah. So what?
Now come the question. That's why I was asking.
Hmm.
That is known as loose equality. This
Use
is
equality.
lose,
Lose. Okay.
lose. Okay, that is known as loose. Fine. So this is known as strict comparison and another is known as loose comparison. So I have done this. Okay. So if I give here also 5 equals to, and if I give equals to here, okay,
Hmm.
num1 is equal to, if I declare, we have declared these two values, say, just a second, string and str1. Okay. So lose equals to, hello, can you go for mute? Yeah. So both are 5, 5, this is fine. But why is this is fine. Both are 5, this is fine. Okay, if I take it out, so output should be true. Why it is showing me error? Just a second, I am confused. It's showing me error. Just a second. Let me check it out. Should not show error. Either is the some. Just a second. Let me. No. Let me check it out. Just why it is showing this error to me? This error it is showing me comparison. It should not be the case. Just a second. Let me check. It is a version issue because ES5 or ES6 issue might be there. Just let me look into it. If I give it a STR is correct. Okay. 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 So this is basically due to some, actually we have a difference. Remember, we have a difference in JavaScript. Okay. We have a loose equality. Remember, I'm saying, okay, in TypeScript, it always throws the error. Okay, remember, just look into it, what I'm saying. If I create it like this, lose equality. So in JavaScript allows lose equality. Okay, this time. Now, TypeScript throws a compile time error. Okay, so it is showing me a compile time error that is TS2367. Okay, because it tries to compare a number to a string. Okay, so this thing is not possible with the help of TypeScript. This thing is not possible with the help of TypeScript. So if I give 3 times also, you are comparing number with string is not possible. If you give this is it will show you error. But how we can come over it? How we can come over it? You just give number. Give like this number. Okay. And now put it in. Okay. Now it will not show you error. Okay, now it will not show you error and it will print the output as true because it has converted it into number. So remember, this double equals to this string comparison and number comparison is not possible in TypeScript, but is possible in JavaScript. Okay, so to come over it, you have to convert your string to the number. So now if I run it, it will give me output as true. Got it? So you cannot compare these things. So these are the possibilities in JavaScript. Suppose in an interview tomorrow, they ask you this thing: what is the difference between loose equality and strict equality? Then you have to give the answer. In loose equality, what happens if if both values are same and their data type is different, it will pass it. But it is strict equality if data type is wrong, different, okay, and number is same, it will fail it. This is known as strict and loose equality. Got my point? Anyone, any question in it? Anyone? Or you can do like this also. You can convert this like this also. You can convert this into number, or you can convert this number into string. If like to string, okay, you can convert it like this. So okay, fine. This will also work. So you cannot compare here. It will show the error. Fine. So this is not possible over here. Anyone, any question in it? Yes or no? Hello.
Abhinav, I have some doubt in this,
Yes.
topic.
Ask.
So initially, if I talk about, so we have took one number and one string, correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
Both values are 5.
Hmm.
Number is also 5 and string is
Hmm.
also
Hmm.
5.
Hmm.
So you have write it in line 37 console.log number 1 equal to 5.
Hmm.
So we are comparing number 1 with
Hmm.
5,
Yes. Hmm.
means it's string value, correct?
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Now see, this is not possible actually. Okay, in it. Fine. So I cannot write like this. So I have to convert it. I have to convert. Got my point?
Abhinav, I have a doubt on 38th line.
See, now it is working fine. This equality is also working fine. Okay. So it remember, we cannot compare a string with number in TypeScript. Okay. JavaScript it is possible, but in TypeScript it is not possible. To do the comparison comparison, you have to convert it either into string or either into number. Yes, yes, Vijay. 38 line. Yeah.
What we did on the 37th, we compared with loose equality,
Ah,
right?
this.
But on 38, we are using tight equality, right? That is
So yes,
triple
yes.
triple equal to.
Hmm.
So can we do with the double equal to as well?
I did it here also. You could do it. Yes, you can.
Okay, it's working. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone, any question in it? Comparison, lose equality, and strict equality. Anyone, any question? Anyone, any question?
Abhinav, we have without we have mentioned here number string. We have given data type here at let num1, let str string, like that.
Mm-hmm.
If we don't give a data type specifically,
No
it
issues.
should work the same, right?
Yes, yes, no
Yeah.
issues. If you don't give a
Thank you.
data type, okay. So this we have done here. Fine, we are good till here. Now let me check. Next is and logical operators and or not. Okay, these are the last operators we will discuss today. Okay. So these are the operators we are having. Fine. So one is true. So what is the AND operator? If we have both the values as true, it will be true. If we have both the values as false, it will return false. Okay. In AND. In OR, any of the value is true, it will return true. And in OR, in NOT, it will just make true as false and false as true. It will reverse it. Okay. So now suppose what I do go over here and I do console.log has ID and is registered. This is the sign. Has ID is true, is registered is false. So any value is true, false. So it will return false only.
Answer will be false. Yeah.
False. If I go with or means one of the condition is true, it will return the output as true. It return me true. And next is not. It means it will reverse this out. It will reverse this. So if it is true, it will make it as false. If it is false, it will be false. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes.
guys?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
Please note them out. Okay. Now the next topic will be for loops and if else condition that are totally different. So I will start them tomorrow. I don't want to go in a rush. See, if someone is thinking that I will be covering in so fast, won't be possible. But I will be trying to cover as much as topics daily. Okay. Make it. Write it.
Okay.
Lakshmi, any question?
No, no, Abhinav.
Now, can you paste all this like code in this chat only?
Done. You can drop also if you understand. I gave them something. I will give the video also. No issues.
Abhinav, when I'll be getting the video of this chapters, like classes?
Okay, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Write it down. No issues. I'm here only.
Abhinav, I was asking when I'll be getting the video of this classes.